That P's backwards, bud.
Tell Daddy about what Sesame Street said, though, real quick.
Arachnids have 8 legs, and spiders arachnid, and insects have 6 legs, and grasshoppers has 6 legs. A beetle has 6 legs. And that's great. Lives in a web. An ant has 6 legs. And also an ant lives behind an anthill.
It does?
Yeah, and then did you and Grandma make a new song? What was it?
Start it over.
Okay.
Start it over.
Yeah, okay. Ready, go. I did. How does it go?
So, it's like this. Itsy bitsy arachnid went up the water spout.
Did you hear that?
Out came the rain and pushed the arachnid out. Out came the sun and dried upon the water. So the itsy bitsy arachnid went up the spout again.
Good job, bud.
That's awesome.
I don't know.